That's right, on my face. This one, the tree now.
You wanna try?
Direct from the tree. So this is the one that's dripping.
Kubalhin no?
Asa mo sumong dapit? Oh, nalagi dito dapit pa?
And then, the bud, before it blossoms, so he would, later, he will show you, he would be cutting it. So before it becomes a bud, we will be using about a liter of salt every day. So for this tree, it has like three, the container he's using is bamboo. Yeah, the bamboo, yeah. So when it's freshly harvested, ituktok ka na, tuktok na.
Tuka ang talwa. Ha? Tuka talwa. Tuka.
Oh.
Yeah, so he's cutting the bud now. And once, after cutting it, you would notice that it will drip.
Kaguktok.
Oh, it's a different way of drinking it. Yeah. Right. Let that try, okay? Would like to try? Yeah. Okay, would like to try?
Press. The press one.
Yeah, from the bud.
Bone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mark, you know
You wanna try it? Yeah, I'll take a video.
Open wide.
Makamansar ba na?
Yeah. Yeah, it's dripping, it's dripping.
Hindi makamansa basta kuan. Way tungog.
No, you have to touch it with your tongue, not with your tongue. It should be with a tongue. Oh. Gert.
This is much better. Come on.
Ano pa yung
This is much better.
okay.
How do you like it? This one. The freshly harvested one. I know.
So everyone they need to do it like this, or everyone they choose
Afterward, this
one.
one is good.
If
It keeps you cool.
not every tree they harvest. Okay.
Okay, for the first batch,
There are trees that
follow me. We're going to the
don't
next.
produce more.
Some of them, some of the trees.
Some of the trees produce more.
Okay, so they know which one.
Yeah, they know which one. By
So I can see that. Yeah, I don't know the coconut tree can like that.
all the coconut trees have the flowers, right? Flowers of coconut tree. Generally, bud flowers. That's one he cut no? To produce that tuba.
Okay. Let's try the. Let's try the caribou.
Yaman. Kulbaan.
Unsaon daw pagsaka? Nagbawo, unsaon daw pagsaka? Para sila dapat na ay mo perform mo sa kano.
So we call it the tree of life. So, like most of the houses, the lumber, we use the coconut lumber. And then earlier today, we showed you the byproduct of the stick. So we make baskets out of it. And now, I will introduce you to Edgar. Edgar, come here, please. Yeah. Edgar, because part of the product of the coconut, he will climb up later. How old are you, Edgar? 64 years old and still climbing up coconut trees. A round of applause.
When I'm 64.
And then I want you to show you, this is a different style of cutting a tool for the, it's a joke in the Philippines, we call him the coconut pilot. Yeah, because he climbed up trees, but actually it's manananggot. And different, I want to show them that. So different, it's very sharp, and the shape is so different. So this is easier for him to do his thing, to cut the bud. All right, so he will be showing us how to gather the